In this video, we will show you how we can remote another computer using free software. In here, this tutorial, we will using AnyViewer software. And this software is free, as you can see here. With this limitation, we can using it's free and unlimited. First, we need to install the software and make sure you install the software on both computers. I already installed the software in my another computer. So we can connect later with the code. Something look like this. This is the code, okay, with temporary security code. And we can install first our software. Now, just click install now. AnyViewer is very easy. Okay, we can untick this and click enjoy now. Now, we can connect our computer with the partner ID. Okay, I already have my partner ID in here or my another computers. Okay. And after you install this software, it will appear look like this. And for example, this computer also can remote from another location. Okay, this is for remote control and this is file transfer. Let's just using remote control. Okay, I will input security code because I already have the security code. Now, this is our AnyViewer look likes. And in here, we successfully connect to our another computers. We can using screen size in here, for example. We can setting the mode, adaptive or another here. And this program is free, so we can using this program to open our another computer. And this is very helpful if we are a professional. They often working with another computer from another location.